Jamushi Travels is back in the day. We'll share to you our Holiday Inn hotel experience in
So
Cebu.
we're back at Holiday Inn. Dito lang malapit sa bahay. Okay. So we'll be checking in today. Yan, so what's new? May weekend shuttle sila.
Halos every hour.
Although walking distance naman, pero okay na din, ano? Alright. Hi! So, we're back at... Kantahan mo kami.
Cebu Holiday Inn. Yan. So, upgrade tayo sa bedroom suite because of Diamond Elite. Yan. Tapos, kinuha rin natin breakfast. So, parang 11,000 points lang itong booking for our mini staycation. Yan.
Okay.
One night.
Points ang ginamit to
Point
pala.
lang.
Okay, so what are we going to expect today aside from the room? Yung dinner?
Dinner buffet. Seafood daw yung team. So, mamaya, tingnan natin. Ay, may happy hour din pala sila. Yan, tingnan natin later. So, ayun. See you later. Bye-bye.
Alright, so this is our second time, so thank you very much again. Holiday in Cebu. Okay, so tour tayo ulit para ma-reminisce natin yung room.
Hello! Welcome to Holiday Inn Cebu City. So, now we're staying at the bedroom suite, their largest room in this hotel. And let me walk you through the amenities. Here we have the walk-in closet and the closet with the safe. And may chinelas din naman. Ganda nung lalagyan ng chinelas nila. And ito yung safe and laundry bag and bathing robe. Bathrobe. Tapos may ano tayo, half bath. Yan. May bidet. So, yun. Very nice. And then, walking here, ayan. Nandito yung main, toilet. So, kompleto yung amenities. Pwede pa yung single-use plastic dito. Tapos, yan. May soap na amenity kit.
Yes, and lotion!
Ayan, may lotion na malaki. Tapos, may shower and bathtub.
Ay, hindi ko nadala yung salt bath salt.
Tapos move tayo sa living room here. So, sa living room, ito meron silang coffee station. And, ay,
Kabila yata.
Ayun. Ay, walang laman. And, wala rin laman.
Mga storage area.
Storage area pag long stay. And meron silang sharp na
TV.
TV. And yung view ng Cebu City. Ayan, Central Business
Ayun yung
District.
Ayala Centers.
Kitang-kita dito. Tapos ito yung first working desk.
Oh, ang ganda, oh.
And may sofa rin, day bed dito. Tapos sa main room, ayan, nandito ang ating king size bed. And meron tayong TV rin. Ayan.
Dali yung view.
And ayan, alarm clock, yung call, tsaka may ano rin dito, sofa. So ayun. Again, thank you Holiday Inn for the warm welcome.
Okay, ako na magtutuloy. So, katabi naman ng ating room is itong bathroom. So, yan, parang paikot lang. So, iikot ko kayo ulit, ha? So, recap. Taihan. Entrance. Si Bibi. At yung room ulit. So, that's it. And looking forward to dinner mamaya. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Yan. So, the good thing about this location ay malapit lang siya sa Ayala Mall at sa baba ay may convenience store. Dati nga may Jollibee pa dito no? Pero sige, bili lang muna kami ng siopaw bago yung dinner. Alright, so Dito, yung La Crema, masarap dyan yung mga cakes. Pero, dito tayo sa affordable. 7-Eleven. Yun, katabi dyan lang din yung Hop-In at Anytime Fitness. Tapos alam ko banda dun may Pande Manila. Yun. So, let's get something to eat. Okay, so ito yung 7th floor. Yan yung restaurant, swimming pool, at nandun yung sa gym. Pero si BB ay mag-i-swimming lang daw. So, ito yung tsura na swimming pool. Maliit lang. Pero it's decent size naman. Yan, yung gym lang naman ang gusto ko. So, dyan tayo next time. So, for now, chillin muna tayo. Heidi! So, maganda itong isang device to jumper na to. Anong device yung maybe?
Ulanzi na 3-in-1 magnet stand.
Ayan. Kasi maganda kasi nagamit namin doon stand pang selfie namin kanina.
Shower lang.
Okay. Okay, so we are ready. Ito tayo ngayon for seafood.
Anong meron?
May pizza at iba pa.
Hi! So, nandito tayo sa Sevi. So, we're having the Ocean's Harvest Seafood Dinner Team Buffet. Ayan. So, lahat naman so far. Pero may ano rin sila. Mga beef and also
May
pork.
kebab din, no?
Kebab tsaka yung lechon. And rosemary chicken. So, maraming kinds ng ano rin, carbs with ano,
With
paella,
seafood. Oo.
yan.
May
Seafood
pasta,
rice,
seafood.
saka baked pasta. Sarap naman lahat so far. So yun, pag nandito kayo hanggang every Friday, Saturday ng April, yan, try nyo rin. Dito sa Holiday Inn Cebu. Bye!
Bye. Baby.
Welcome to Cebu Sunday Market!
Yan. So, naglakad lang kami for quick stroll around the hotel. So, every Sunday, may Cebu market, no? And then, may mga nagpipickled ball din dito, nag-skateboard. And then, yung hotel, andun lang. Masaya, nandyan yan. So, just in case you're coming here on a Sunday, so, no, may mga gandong activities that you can enjoy, no?
Yeah.
Maxi Care is just over there din. Okay, yung kailangan mag-visit sa clinic. So, yun lang. Bye! Ayan. So, mag-cellphone muna tayo kasi hindi ko nadala yung hindi ko kasi nadala yung
Squid ba? Wala.
DJI. ID station. Tickets to casino. Oh, may bihon. Okay, masaya na na. checking out. Mag-gym and swim muna kami. Bye! Right, so na tayo sa gym. Right, tayo susi. Susi.
Ay, yung ball, dito natin.
So, usual, kaya masarap mag-gym kasi may tubig lagi. Okay, so meron tayong kasama ngayong gymmer for today. Yan, so naghintay na kami ng shuttle sa 1 o'clock papuntang Ayala. So we just checked out. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Ito na kami sa school bus. Yan. So hintay tayo kung may sasabay pa.
So that's the end of our holiday in Cebu experience. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.